Hello, everybody. Let's bring this session up to date. Hello, I am back to do a voiceover over the voiceover I've already done for this session. This is a journal with me journal session that I did right before I left on hiatus. Um, the funny thing is, I did a voiceover to bring it a little current, and now here I am in 2024. Like I said, I finished. Well, I started this in 2022 before I left, but I'm going to bring it on forward to 2024 because I worked hard on this and editing it down and all that thing. So I want to use it. It was lost footage, but we're gonna bring it into the present right now. And I'm probably talking about things I like to do, like watch TV, and that I was probably saying I don't usually sit like she is and watch TV. I'm usually doing something while I'm watching TV. I don't know why. Can you sit just and watch TV? Do you get up with the commercials? Do you stream without commercials? Because um, I like to stream with the Food Network with no commercials. So I don't, I watch that while I eat, and then I that's it. I don't know. I haven't sat like that in a long time just to watch. Now, I don't binge watch. Now, when I was on hiatus, let me tell you, I did binge watch a lot of my DVDs and things like that. DVDs that I had, I finished. I don't know how we're getting to this discussion, but here we are. I finished NCIS up until 15 because after that, it's just, I'm waiting for the price to go down. It's too expensive. So I got to 15. I don't know what places where it streams, but that's okay. I got that. I finished all of NCIS New Orleans, which is my favorite. I'm sorry, I watched that at least twice. And I feel like I want to watch it again for some reason. For anyway, y'all like don't do that because we need you to glue book. No, but I got through that, and I think I watched Bones at least 2 or 3 times. So that's what I did. I really did have a good time. I don't know. I filmed this right before I left. I just didn't have the inspiration anymore to list it. And there is, I mean, put it up. I didn't have the inspiration to put it up anymore. But so I don't want it to go to waste. So, and if you're a content creator, you know how hard it is to do these videos and then edit them. So, I found a couple that I think I'll bring into the, present, into the present day. Yeah. So, when you sit down, your little kitty cat, I had to put the little kitty cat right there. I have two that I rescued. And, once you sit down, they got to sit on you. They don't sit beside you, they sit on you. And one of my cats, he is just really big now. And I'm like, really? Are you really trying to sit all of you on my lap? I don't have enough lap for all your body. And he is heavy, but he insists. So, oh boy, I wonder if I'm going to cut this down because I'm even sped up. It may be a little too long. Oh, I still have some that I didn't. Oh, I had to put a smile on her because she didn't have a smile on her face. Look at that. Yeah. Now it looks like a smart, doesn't it? Looks like an evil smart. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So I forgot what I was going to say. I was looking at her evil spark, and that I'm editing right now, and I didn't take the voiceover from the end. I wonder what I'm saying. I wonder what I'm saying. I probably need to cut this down a little bit more, but even though it's sped up a little bit, it's still quite long. It's 9 minutes long. These are the things I like to do when I relax. Is to watch um, my DVDs, my TV. Yeah, I'm old DVDs, and read sometimes, but mostly watch. Just catch up. I'm always late when everybody's watching. I like to watch it, the binge watch it, and I've got to finish the Queen because I saw it somewhere on not the Queen Crown on YouTube, like the final episode, and so I wonder if it's out yet because I would love to finish that up. Let me stop this. I think the only television show or I was up to date on was, okay, I'll start it right here because I can't remember what the show was called, but I watched it religiously every week. Oh, it was so good. So when it finally went off and I was ready for it to go off, it was really good though. I was up to date. I think that's the only show that I'm up to that I watched every week as it aired, or no more than 2 weeks, because sometimes I do like to just go ahead and watch the next one right away. The suspense is too much, so so sometimes I would let that go for two. What do you binge watch? Do you like to binge watch? What movies or TV shows do you like to binge watch? Let me know down in the comments. I don't know what I'm showing you here. Oh, and that's old. That's old. So, oh, here it is. I'm back to this one. I don't think I'm going to have to cut this down. Sadly, I did not complete. I did a lot in this book, but I didn't complete it. I don't know. When May comes, should I just finish working in it? I don't know. And I'm getting ready to do what I owe. See, it's May 22, 2022. So, no, I'll make another one. I really like this book that I made. It didn't take long to throw it together. It's up on my channel. If you want to go watch it, didn't take long. And I'm sure everybody knows how to throw these things, these journals together. It's not hard. It's a great use up of your paper and your scrap paper and things like that. I don't know why I'm showing you this. Anyway, we're going to wrap this up because I may cut this down. Like, you want to sit and look at the back of this book. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, I was putting a charm on it. Anyway, I was glad to sit with you for a few minutes and talk. And if you made it this far to the end of the video, but you don't have anything to say, then that's fine. Let me know that you're there. Drop me a television, a TV, or emoji, or my famous little wave emoji, and let me know that you're there. I am so glad you joined me those today while we brought this session up to date. And I will talk to you later at another time with the key charm. Bye. All right. Again, I don't know what I'm talking about. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.